Today, we're breaking down how enterprises can manage entire drone fleets at scale with the FlightOps platform.
Okay, so we know managing just one drone is complicated, but a whole fleet, that's a huge operational jump. The solution is a complete shift in thinking, from manual piloting to autonomous, mission-based operations. First up, from intent to mission. A mission doesn't start with a flight plan, but with a simple goal.
Operators just define the what and where. The system then figures out the best way to get it done.
This intent-based approach slashes planning time, making operations way faster, safer, and more consistent.
All right, Section 2, automated and adaptive flight. Once launched, the drone is basically on autopilot.
The platform handles all the complex stuff like route planning and even hugging the terrain for a safe flight.
And this is cool. The AI is tied directly to the flight, turning what it sees into immediate autonomous action.
The operator's role completely changes. They're not a pilot with a joystick. They're a supervisor.
Section 3, real-time airspace safety. But what happens when things change mid-flight? Because they always do. Initially, the system creates a safe flight path, avoiding all the no-go zones it already knows about.
But then a new restriction pops up. All of a sudden, that original route is totally unsafe. The system instantly spots the conflict and, bam, automatically creates a new safe path around it. This all happens thanks to safety features that are constantly deconflicting the airspace in real time. And of course, there are fail-safes, like routing to an emergency landing spot if anything goes wrong. Okay, Section 4, the enterprise advantage. So what does this all mean for the business? Let's talk value.
A single operator can supervise between 5 and 12 missions at once. That's a massive efficiency boost. And get this, the platform doesn't care what kind of drone you use. You just pick the right tool for the job. That kind of flexibility lets you run repeatable, scalable missions across pretty much any industry you can think of. And since it's built on an open API, it plugs right into the command centers and software you already have. The big takeaway here, it's all about creating reliable, repeatable, and scalable drone services for your organization.
This level of automation isn't just about doing today's tasks better. It opens the door to totally new business models.